I have been thinking about to take a challenge for myself cause I want to improve my focus. Yeah. While I was in college, while I was in school, and that moment, whenever I am going to do any kind of work, I could focus. Yeah, I could give my 100% focus on one particular things or task. But after get married, I lose it. Whenever I am going to do any kind of work or activities, and that moment I am feeling that I am losing my ability to focus this activity because I have a lot of household chores and I need to take a lot of responsibilities. So, hello everyone, my name is Nandita and you are watching NSK Explore channel. So, if I'm giving my introduction, so my name is Nandita earlier I mentioned you, and I am from Hooghly in West Bengal. So, in today, I decided that I am taking one challenge. The challenge is to make videos 30 videos upcoming 30 days. So every single day I will make a small video, not too big, and I will try to share something which is happening in my life and my experience, and also this will help you a lot.